Welcome to the KPMP Kidney Tissue Atlas. We wanted to take some time to show you the newest tool to our tool set, the Atlas Explorer. If you go to atlas.kpmp.org, you'll be taken here to this dashboard where you can access the Explorer tool as well as the Atlas repository and lots of other helpful links. If you click on the Explorer, you'll see you're taken to the homepage for the Atlas Explorer tool. From here, you can search for genes, cell types, or data types to view different summary visualizations based on your search criteria. Currently, the data types that we have available in the Atlas Explorer are single nucleus, single cell, and regional transcriptomics data sets. We will be adding more in the future. A user could search for a cell type by typing it in here, or by clicking on one of the cell types listed in the visualizations below. In this case, I've clicked on visceral epithelial cell, and now I can see a list of data types available that have some sort of data mapping to that cell type. In this case, we have regional transcriptomics data that was microdissected to the glomeruli. We also have podocyte clusters from the single cell and single nucleus data set, as well as a cluster annotated as degenerative podocyte clusters from the single nuke data. You can see some additional information below the table about how the clusters from the single cell and single nuke data were assigned to different cell types. Clicking on the View button from the cell type summary will take users to what we call the diffex page. On this page, users can see which genes were most differentially expressed in that particular region of interest as compared to the other regions in the data set. In this case, for the regional transcriptomics data, now we are looking at the genes most differentially expressed in the glomerulus and renal corpuscle as compared to the other segments microdissected in that data type. I can click on one of the genes from here and actually start a new search, which in essence is searching for that gene in the data type. So now that I've searched for NPHS2 in regional transcriptomics, I can see some visualizations showing how that gene is expressed in the various regions that were microdissected in that data type. I can also switch to the single cell and single nucleus data types here and do different visualizations. For single cell and single nuke data, I will get to see a UMAP showing how the particular data set, in this case, 19 participants were all aggregated together, how that data set clusters, as well as the expression of that particular gene within those clusters. Over here in this feature plot, I can even hover over and see different gene expression measurements for those cell types. Below these visualizations, I can see a supplemental table giving additional information about how that gene was expressed in each cluster as compared to all other clusters. Users can download that table from using this download button here. They can also get to the raw data that we use to generate these visualizations by clicking this icon at the top, which will take you to the Atlas repository where that data object is available. We hope you've enjoyed this overview of the Atlas Explorer tool and that it proves to be a very useful application for you in your research needs.